delicious steamed chicken wrapped in banana leaves. Sabadi Pome Pinong, Sabadi Pimai. I'm Harris Pianabong and welcome back to Cooking with Mr. International. On today's episode, we're going to be making steamed chicken wrapped in banana leaves. We call this in Lao Mokai. Alright guys, let's get started. Here's all the herbs and spices you're gonna need. Alright guys, let's move on to the next step and put all these ingredients into a blender. Now let's cut 2 stalks of lemongrass to small pieces, that way it'll be easier to blend. 1 cup of shallots, 1 cup of soaked sticky rice, your desired amount of chili peppers, 10 pieces of kaffir lime leaves, tablespoon of minced garlic, and lastly 1 cup of water. Blend this well. You want to kind of get a paste that looks like this. Now let's go ahead and set this aside for later use. Now let's add 2 pounds of bite-sized chicken thighs into a mixing bowl. Now add 1 cup of pakayang rice patty herbs, 1 cup of dill, chopped green onions, 3 tablespoons of chicken powder mix, 1 tablespoon of monosodium glutamate, 4 tablespoons of badeg fermented fish sauce, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. Now let's add the paste we made from earlier into the mixing bowl. We're going to be wrapping our chicken in banana leaves. Now if you don't have banana leaves, don't worry about it. Aluminum foil will be just fine. Let's start off by cutting it into a rectangle or square. Clean both sides of the banana leaves. Now add the chicken filling into the middle of the banana leaves. I usually use 3/4 of a cup. Any more than that usually will overflow. Now let's fold it into place. Start by folding the banana leaves in half, then working on the edges. You want to flap the edges inward, left to right. Then again on the other side. Repeat that same step. And finally, once you get this shape, you want to fold them inwards once again, from the top to the bottom. And just tuck it in, just like that. Once secure, you're going to use a toothpick or a skewer stick and do an over and under. There's no right or wrong way, just make sure that's able to close up at both ends. Just like that. Voila! Look at that cute little thing. Like I mentioned before, aluminum foil is just fine. Do the same thing like how we just did with the banana leaves. I did 1 sheet because I just like the aroma of the banana leaves. Most of the time my mom just makes it in an aluminum foil. Alright, let's try this again with aluminum foil this time. Fold it in half, then fold the flaps inward. You're going to repeat that step on the other side. Once you got that, squeeze it in the middle and you're going to tuck it and roll it in inwards. And it should look just like that right there. Voila! Now let's toss this little bad boy in the steamer. Now you can use any kind of steamer that you want. I'm using a sticky rice steamer, so you can use whatever that you have at home. So I'm using a traditional Lao sticky rice maker that we call huat. Steam on medium-high for 30 minutes and let it rest for 10 minutes. And now it's time to eat. Let's open up this bad boy. Can't wait to see how it looks inside. Wow, look at this, guys. That is just perfection. Beautiful. I'm drooling right now. I hope you guys enjoy this mokkai tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm your host Harris Pianavong, and this is Cooking with Mr. International. Ma kin mokkai nam kan de.